Hello everyone, just a quick announcement. I just wanted to let you know that we now have the ability to create your own workout inside of the app. So this video will show you how to do that. Okay, so this is your dashboard. You just want to go over to the blue plus, go to workout, and select the freestyle workout option. You've got three settings there, regular, circuit or interval. The interval will give you the timer, the other two will be normal. And then you can select add a rest or exercise in the bottom corner here, and we'll go add rest in the center here. Here you can search our database of exercises. So I'm just going to add a few exercises in here so you can see. You can tick multiple at the same time, clear the search, search for something else. So we're going to add a couple of push-up variations, a couple of ab exercises, so we'll just go with the ab crunch and the reverse crunch. So it's telling me here how I can hold to move them around. So you can tap on here to change the sets to whatever you want. Struggle a little bit there to grab it. It does go up to like 20 odd, so yeah, if you're feeling daring. Here you can tap and change the time. Very important for the rests. Shorter rests will be harder. If you do the interval option of a workout, it will have the timer, so this will obviously affect how much the timer goes. So here you can select the workouts, add them to a superset. So I'm just going to do that, add in a little rest, just drop this down to 2 because I feel like being a baby. Add a rest in the middle, again just hold, drag in the middle. Again we're going to cut that down to a minute, and then we're going to save. So now you can see it's on our dashboard here, and that's how you delete, but you just tap on it and now you've got your workout. So you just hit start now. Obviously if you've ever wondered, on the right hand side there it does show your previous activity. This is a new account for the purpose of showing you this, but then you just do the workout as normal. Thank you. So that is how that works. If you have any questions, comments or need any help, just message us in the group chat.